Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use cheats on GTA San Andreas mobile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First things first, head over to the Google Play Store and download the required app. Once it's installed, open the app and you will see an icon appearing on the side of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Next, click on the icon and a menu will appear. You will need to enable the keyboard, so scroll down, find the keyboard settings and turn it on. It's important to do this correctly, otherwise the cheat codes won't activate. Now head back to the apps menu. There should be a cheat settings option, usually the third one in the list. Click on it to open the settings. Here you will find various options you can toggle on and off, like the keyboard and notifications. Make sure everything is set up as needed. Once everything is set up, it's time to activate the cheat code. Simply open the app where you want to use the cheat, turn on the keyboard and input the cheat code. For example, I'll be using a code that gives me a jetpack in the game. After entering the code, you will see that it gets activated immediately, and now I have got a jetpack. With the cheat code activated, you can now enjoy all the benefits. Fly around the street, skip using bikes, and just have fun exploring without any restrictions. You can even prank your friend or bypass difficult levels effortlessly. If you encounter any issues like the map not disappearing or the cheat not activating, make sure you have entered the code correctly and that all settings are properly configured. If the problem still arises, try restarting the app and entering the code again. So that's how you can activate cheat codes on your Android device. It's simple, quick, and adds a whole new layer of fun to your gaming experience. And that's pretty much all about how you can use cheats on GTA San Andreas mobile. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.